Zach here today with Guitars and Garages, and I'll be showing you how to play Kill a Man by Ben Burgess. I really hope I said his last name correctly. This is a very easy song, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. And also, make sure to stick around near the end of the video where I'll be showing you how to play a song at full speed. But first, I'll be breaking this song up into 3 parts. It'll be the intro, the verse, and the chorus. And also, one more thing to add. I will be showcasing this new guitar me and Trevor got. He actually bought it, but it's for the channel, and we're hopefully going to be adding more things like this to the channel. So just make sure to stick around near the end for this. It's beautiful. I know you guys will love it, but let's get into this song. Okay, so first you're going to use your capo on your 2nd fret, and the first chord you'll be playing will be an E minor. Your 2nd chord you'll be playing is an A minor. Your 3rd chord you'll be playing is a D. And your 4th chord you'll be playing is a G. And throughout this song, you will be walking down from the G using only your index finger, and it will sound like this. The first chord you'll be playing will be an E minor, and the way you'll be picking the strings will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. It will sound like this once you have it down. Now let's switch to the A minor, and you will be picking these strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3. And once you have this down, it will sound like this. Now let's switch to your D, and you will be picking this note 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. And once you have that down, it will sound like this. And then lastly, we will be playing the G, and you'll be picking this 6, 4, 3, 2. And remember, I said you would be walking down with your index finger just like this. 6, 4, 3, 2. It'll be exactly the same as the G. 6, 4, 3, 2. 6, 4, 3, 2. And then you'll go back to your E minor. And it will sound like this put together. So in order to play the chorus, you'll be playing your E minor, and the strumming pattern for this song will be down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. The strumming pattern will only change when you get to your G and you walk down also. It will go down, down, up, walk down, 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 up, and then you'll just continue playing down, down, up, down, up. So I'll put it together for you. You'll be playing your E minor, and you'll be going down, down, up, down, up. Then switch to your A minor. Down, down, up, down, up. Then switch to your D. Down, down, up, down, up. And then switch to your G. Down, down, up. Walk down, 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 up. And then continue back. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so now let's get into the verse. It is played exactly like the intro, so if you have already learned this, then you can skip ahead and watch me play a song at full speed with you. But if not, then I will just go through this slowly, so hopefully you can get it down easier. You'll be playing your E minor. Then your A minor. Then your D. Then your G. Walk down, release with your ring finger. Then back to your E minor. Alright, so I really hope I was able to teach you that song fairly easy. I hope I broke it down well enough, and if I didn't, please comment and let me know what I need to improve on. Otherwise, let's get into playing this song. Alright guys, well I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. I'm just messing with you. Here's this new guitar that Trevor's got for the channel. It's a beautiful Epiphone J200 Studio Jumbo body. It does have a split back. It's just a beautiful guitar all the way around. But as I promised, I'll be playing this just a little bit. It is not related to the song, but it's a beautiful guitar. Also, there was some work done to this guitar. Originally this guitar was about $580, and he had the bridge changed out for a synthetic bone bridge, and he replaced it and had it filed down, and that cost about $45, and he put a set of Elixir strings on it. So altogether, he's got about $645 roughly in this setup. This thing plays absolutely beautiful. And if you don't know a lot about why someone would change the bridge, it is to make the playability so much easier on your finger. Now let's get into playing this beautiful guitar. Alright, well that's it for this video, guys. I really hope I was able to teach you that song, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did stick around this long, then don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comments of anything or whatever you'd like to hear. I'll see you next time.